spider sense is a trip. Either I'm not used to it yet, or I'm sensing one of the fragments closing in on me. Nope, I was right. Well, at least I found it.
Spider. Don't fade on me yet.
What are you supposed to be? A demonic kumquat?
You can call me a Hobgoblin. Every Spider-Man needs one.
Newsflash, Hobby. You're not my first goblin.
But this goblin has one thing the others never had.
The fragment.
Yes, and with its power, I'm going to tear this world apart. I'm glad we could share some quality time together. Nice try, but my nanofiber wings broke the fall.
Nanofiber? How'd you get your claws on that?
Oh, you love to know.
Yeah, that's why I asked.
Oh, is Spider-Man scared of the big bad Hobgoblin? Enough! Now you'll pay!
I think you dropped it.
Enough! Now you'll pay! Pow! Look who's running scared! I love seeing gotcha! Take that!
Jeez, give it a rest.
I suppose I'd run away too if I were you.
You know how nutty you are? You are giving raving maniacs a bad.
Get shocked! I'd love to stay and play, but I've got places to destroy, people to kill.
I was worried. See, this is why I could never be a supervillain. I don't laugh at my own jokes.
Because it's fun! From the likes of me.
Thanks for playing.
These guys think I'm on Hobgoblin's side.
I win again. There he is. Sorry. Well, isn't this just ducky? Yeah, run away. You're out of here. Sorry, fellas, don't have time to explain. Get it. One
Alarm! Intruder alert! Intruder alert!
Stop hitting your face with my fist! Sorted! Well, isn't this just ducky? Frank Violence!
Ah, shocked me.
Take this, freaker! Can't track, he's too fast! It's one of the fugitives! Drop it!
My accelerated vision makes everything seem slower. This'll definitely come in handy.
Don't let him get chase the real bad guy. Where's your time shooting at me? That's it. Why chase the real bad guy and waste your time shooting at me?
And make it look easy.
That's it, partner. Get up!
I didn't start this, but I'm gonna finish it.
You're terrified of me. How nice!
I can't wait to shut this guy up. Hold your fire, officers. He's not with me!
Get him, buddy!
See, this is one of those crazy misunderstandings we'll all laugh about later. I'm still alive. Shoot him! I'm sorry, I can't hear you over all the crazy!
One for you!
Jeez, give it a rest!
One for you. 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 Pumpkin bombs. Pumpkin bombs. Pumpkin. This is incoming.
I'm the last one who should call anybody a freak, but that guy is a freak!
All units, fugitives last spotted at platform 2. Could be headed this way. Look out, it's him!
Is that him?
And stay down! Are we done yet?
Enhanced offspring are within your reach without the mask. Maximize without the mask.
I don't think so.
Future is out the mask.
Your spare parts stolen. We can clone anything. You never know when.
You're not like the other goblin I fought. Who are you? Where'd you come from?
Not yet, Spider. Why spoil the mystery? I just love watching you. You're not going to get rid of me that way, Wing. Remember?
Nanofiber mesh? You didn't do this to yourself. Someone made you.
So perceptive.
More public eye. Must have attracted some attention with our skydiving routine.
Oh, and just when you were getting warm. We'll have to continue this discussion later.
Permission to use lethal force granted!
The Dude Fairy's about to get real busy.
Shoot the wolf! He's
do. Don't let him get behind us.
Face me!
Anybody else? No? I think it dropped this.
Ruin all my fun!
Hey, someone's got to do it. Not again.
Freeze, Spider-Man!
Over there! Sorry, no time for autographs.
Code red. Code red. Code red. Code red.
That solves that.
Why don't you give me a call?
But don't wait on my account. If I'm not there in 5 minutes, start beating yourself up without me. Don't take this the wrong way, but the more I get to know you, the less I like you.
Oh, but there's so much more to learn about me. Take my psi powers, for instance. Not bad, eh? Let's see what happens when I add Fragment's power to the mix.
What's happening? This can't be real.
Welcome to my reality, Spider-Man. Hope you'll survive the experience.
Get rid of these flying creatures as soon as you can.
Hell's the best you can do?
Yes, run!
seen anyone this psycho. I'm kind of in awe.
Save yourself the trouble. Give up and die!
Thanks for helping me work out my aggression. I can't wait to shut this guy up.
I suppose I'd run away too if I were you.
Look who's running! Look who's running scared!
I felt that! You look so small down there.
You have to work at being this crazy, or does it just come natural? I can't wait to shut this guy up. Ow! The old wooden like what I'm handing you to, huh?
Look who's running scared!
Your train of thought got derailed a long time ago. Your train of thought got derailed a long time ago. No thanks.
Why don't we go for a ride?
You keep bragging about your fancy wings. Let's see you land without her.
You've done it, Spider-Man, and not a moment too soon.
You said it, Webb. Now, let's take a better look at these. Looks like nanofibers fused with bioorganic circuitry. Only one corporation has technology advanced enough for this. Alchemics.